Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm being read about Metro by T-Mobile. So Metro has a deal going on right now to where you guys can get a free iPhone 11 if you guys put your number over the Metro and get their $60 plan. So this is really cool. So if you guys are looking to switch carriers and you guys want a free iPhone, Metro has a deal for you. So yeah, the iPhone 11 has been out for a few years now. It came out in like 2020, I believe it was. The phone is still getting updates as we speak. We'll get updates for like another couple of years. You will be able to get iOS 16 on here, but y'all guys might have to update the iPhone when you guys get it. So if you guys want a free iPhone, Metro has a deal for you. So check it out. Like I said, you guys need to put your number over the Metro and get the $60 plan to get the free iPhone 11. So this is really cool. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.